tú puedes creer que tú eres la última, tú puedes ser la última Coca-Cola del desierto.
Pero yo lo que bebo jugo. Yo lo que tomo jugo, my guy. Let me see.
Just no.
I'm gonna get a tattoo with her, but we're just not gonna tell you where. You're not gonna see it, don't worry.
Yeah, I don't gotta worry about it, you feel me?
Don't fucking worry about it.
Stop. Ya, Sky. Me parece que soy un animal abuser.
Where's your boyfriend? I don't have a boyfriend, bitch. The fuck?
That right?
Single like a pringa, ready to mango.
Hey.
She not though, she not. It's been taken.
I'm taken.
Let me see. What's your favorite color? Blue and purple. What's yours?
Blue and red.
Red. I like red. But then red don't be matching with purple, so I don't really fuck with it. Let me see. Somebody said, why y'all sound like stupid ass thoughts? Bitch, I dare you to guess me on live.
How the fuck?
And tell me that shit on my face. Matter of fact, if you don't like me, comment some stupid ass shit and I will fucking guess you, bitch.
No. How the fuck do stupid ass thoughts sound?
Yeah. They sound
that
like...
makes no sense.
Yeah, I want to suck some dick. That's how they sound, bitch. We're just talking about Jews. So, what's your problem?
Next.
What's your fucking problem, bitch? I want to guess somebody to see if they will really talk the shit.
Talk the shit?
Yeah. Like, if you're talking shit right now, comment. So I can guess you, bitch. So I can fucking guess you ways. Somebody said twerk. We will. But we gotta answer questions first. What's your number? I have a question. You. Are you living your best life? Hell yeah.
I'm living my best life.
I ain't going back and forth with you hitters. I'm living my best life.
And that's our favorite.
Salve Brazil. I want to go to Brazil so bad.
We out.
Você é muito gato. Yeah, we're gonna go. I only know how to say. Você é muito gato.
Eu preciso need to go to Brazil.
Eu preciso need to go to Brazil.
No, you know that I don't think that's a word.
No.
Yo sé que eu preciso quiere decir I need.
Eu preciso.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
That's all I know. So, I don't know how to
Somebody
say,
said,
go to Brazil.
Bitch, who the fuck is that?
Next.
Come to Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Malu, what's your cash app for what? You gonna send me money?
Bitch, put that shit out there.
Let me know. I'll send that shit.
Real quick.
I'll send you some toe pictures. Period. You're only getting toe pictures though.
Anyways.
Yeah.
What's your type?
What's your type?
What's your type?
You just have to be cute. Not be fake. Not be lying. Don't be broke either.
Just have dreads, you know, a little bit.
Yeah, I like guys with dreads. I like light skins. What's your type?
My type is my boyfriend.
Yeah, but like describe your type. That's your boyfriend.
Loyal.
Ajá.
Like definitely loyal, porque si estás comiendo mierda, estás comiendo mierda.
Yeah, porque ¿para qué vas a estar en una relación with a fuck ass?
For no reason.
Exactly.
That's wasting my time. So loyal, like you gotta be cute.
Yeah.
At least your teeth gotta be perfect. Not perfect, but like you gotta have a nice smile, porque si tienes los dientes yellow y crooked and shit.
Yeah, if you have el verdadero terremoto and that shit, or you have an attraction, you're fucked. And you need to get some braces.
If you have an ocean without the motion, I don't want that shit.
Cause motherfuckers be having an ocean without the motion.
And I don't want that shit.
Yeah, not having it, bitch. Que perra, mi amiga. Will you date a Mexican with white skin? El motion without the motion.
El motion without the motion. Yeah, no.
No, it's the ocean without the motion. Will you date a Mexican with white skin? I mean, if you're Mexican, if you're cute, yeah.
I mean, I don't care about like your ethnicity and shit.
Yeah, you have to be cute and be loyal. I mean, we asking for too much.
Those type of guys, you can't find them. Like,
Yeah, you can't. If they're cute and light skinned, they're fuckboys. Most likely.
Most likely.
Most
like
likely.
90% out of 100.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm so that. Yeah, we both.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both virgins.
Yeah, like as fuck.
Oh my god. Hi, I am. Damn, why you attacking me? I am 5'4", 5'3". How tall are you?
I'm 5.
You're 5?
Bitch, you're not 5'4". You're like 5'2".
No, I'm not 5'2". Look, let's get up.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'd be like 3. My head is like taller.
Your head gives you the 4 inches.
Big ass head. Big heads have a great mind. Literally. Oh my god. Pinga, why are you clicking on that shit? Bitch. Cuando ven pro Brasil? Cuando ven pro Brasil? Is that how you say it?
Cuando viene para Brasil?
Cuando ven pro Brasil? Cuando ven pro Brasil?
Cuando ven pro Brasil?
Cuando ven pro Brasil? I don't know. But I want to go. I'll probably will go with this bitch.
¿Cómo se dice? Este año.
Este año.
Este año.
Este año.
That's right. They were like, año. Año.
Este año.
Este año.
It sounds like ano. Like anal. Bitch.
No fucking way.
How many tattoos do you have? I have 12. 11. No, I have 11. I'm gonna have 12. How many do you have?
I have 2. I'm out 3.
Yeah.
I have yeah.
Damn, I have a lot of tattoos.
No, but I'm getting hella tattoos eventually.
I live in Brazil. LOL. I love to go to Brazil.
Girl, buy us a ticket. We there.
Yeah.
Tell the girl
We are
that lives in
out.
Brazil to send us
Favorite hair color? Black.
black.
Yeah. We're gonna go
Like,
back to
yeah.
like dark. I'm gonna go back to dark brown, but not black. Cause if I want to change it, I can't.
The thing is, I don't want to keep changing it porque ya lo tengo todo jodido aquí. Like it's
No,
like,
yeah.
So I'm going to
black.
like jet black, like blue black.
Blue black.
Yeah.
That
Like
shit
when
looks
you go
fire.
in the sun and it's
yeah,
like blue.
it's like blue.
I like it.
I feel like I should do that too, but at the same time, damn, if I want to go blonde again, I'll just get a wig.
Literally, that's literally what I'm gonna do. If I want to go blonde and shit, just get a wig. We're already like, what's up with you?
The fuck?
The fuck?
How's your day going? Fantastic, bitch. Fantastic.
Amazing.
You should try blonde hair. I don't look good in blonde hair. I'm ¿cómo se llama? Una morenita, my guy. We are morenitas, so we have
This
black
is
hair.
the blondest I'll go.
Yeah.
This, or maybe like one shade lower, pero
Yeah, but that's it.
I don't think I'll go to like that blonde. No.
Yeah,
Dirty
like
blonde?
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe.
But like blonde will look like pálida as fuck. I tried once blonde y yo parecía, I don't know, Shakira and cocaine. I look so ugly. ¿Por qué te cortaste el pelo? Well, the first time I cut my hair was because I was letting people get to me, and they were like, your hair is fried, so I cut my hair.
And she's done for that too.
Yeah. Pretty fucking dumb.
Estúpido.
Let me see. So I'm gonna say, I think your bedtime has passed, bad girls.
Niña.
Let's guess people.
Next. Let's guess people.
Let's guess people. Let's see. Let me go in here. Let's see if they want to talk shit or they want to be nice.
Wait, chill.
I might just click the first one. No, not this one. This one looks creepy. This one looks creepy. Let's see. Hey.
I didn't know you guys would answer.
Hi, girl. What you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Nothing, chilling.
I literally just worked off.
I love your accent.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out.
I love your
I'm
accent.
from
Where are you from?
Australia.
Ooh, I want to go to Australia so bad. They say it's fun. Is it?
Oh, yeah. Right.
It's fun?
Right.
Kinda?
Sure.
You gotta come to Miami. Miami's
Yeah.
fun.
I want to come.
You're so pretty. Why are you hiding your face?
Pardon?
Pardon? She said pardon? Oh my god, you're so cute. Show your face.
Yeah.
You just woke up, though.
I like your eyelashes. Yeah, I woke up from a big ass nap right now, girl.
Yeah.
You still look so good.
Thank you. You
I-
too.
I look like something that came out of the zoo.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Thank you for guessing
Love
me.
you.
Love you too.
How do you? Okay. Okay, let me see another one. Where it says unable to join. I can see shit, bro.
Let's click which
Yeah, but I'm trying to click to see a funny one coming out. Let's see.
Hello?
Hello?
Where are you from?
What?
Huh?
¿De dónde eres?
Oh. Yo soy cubana y española.
Cubana.
Ah, yo soy de Puerto Rico.
Ah. Well, nice talking to you. I mean, he wasn't saying nothing. He was getting awkward. Okay, who the fuck is this? Let me see. Let me see.
Yo.
Yo.
Nigga, that Malu Trevejo, nigga, what? Nigga, that's cow. Oh my lord, fam.
What's
What
up?
you doing? Hold the fuck on, fam. I can't find my phone, nigga. Nigga, this is Malu. Malu, fam. Malu, nigga. The one, she got an NBA Youngboy.
No, you see, got it.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
That's trash. That's trash.
Oh, we gotta go. Next.
Don't bring no fucked up exes here.
Ew. Next.
Herpy having ass motherfucker. Okay, let me stop. Why the motherfuckers be having some weird ass shit? You can't even know what the fuck they're saying. Where is it?
It was somebody commented on my shit. Rude ass bitches. Damn, I don't think I'm that fat as shit.
You're not.
Dating as fuck.
What the fuck? Let me see.
Let me pick one.
Yeah, pick one. Just don't drop the cup. They keep moving.
Yeah.
Let's see, let's see.
Let's see. ¿Te imaginas que yo les llamo media decline?
Decline.
No.
Oh my god. Let's see, let's see.
Fucking god.
Let's see. Why are motherfuckers declining shit? Like, why you on my get shit and then you decline it? Like, don't be on my get shit if you're gonna decline it, bitch. Let me see. Decline.
¿Te imaginas?
Damn,
Okay.
Okay. There.
Hello.
Hello. What the fuck?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. What the fuck? I'm out here like picking random as fuck. I don't get why they be on the guest shit and then they don't fucking go live. Like, this motherfucker's probably saying shit. This motherfucker's probably taking his shit. Alright, let me go all the way down because the ones up here, it's like not working. There you go. Hi.
Hi.
What's
Hey.
up?
Oh my god, I love you so much.
I love you too. Where you from?
Texas.
What?
Texas.
Texas? I want to go there. Is the ribs good there?
Yeah.
Bitch, I love food. I gotta ask. Gonna be like, is the ribs good? I love ribs.
No, I love tacos. I know tacos there are good.
Yeah, I don't like tacos. Do you like tacos?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm picky.
Girl,
so
I'm
it's
telling you,
good.
tacos are good.
You're so pretty though.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Why people don't be talking? I be trying to talk, have a conversation. Let's have a conversation.
We scare them. That's the problem.
Why? We're not mean. We're not mean.
We're nice.
We're nice. What the fuck is this? Okay, like I'm trying to guess people and like literally nobody picks up. Like, what the fuck?
Go all the way down.
Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way down, but then it goes up. I don't get it. Let's see.
Y'all are getting booty.
Yeah. If this one doesn't fucking answer, I'm just gonna leave.
Yeah.
Yeah, we out.